Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Emulsa Bond is probably one of the most revolutionary paint additives on the market, transforming ordinary coatings into high-performance solutions that adhere flawlessly to even the trickiest surfaces, ensuring a durable, long-lasting finish that resists peeling and flaking, making your painting project significantly easier and more professional, whether you're tackling a DIY home renovation or a complex industrial application. Number 5. KILZ Adhesion Primer. This primer offers exceptional adhesion, creating a secure bond on even the most challenging surfaces. It expands your painting possibilities, ensuring a strong foundation where traditional primers might fail. Its advanced styrinated acrylic polymer formula provides a solid base for your top coats. This innovative blend can reduce or even eliminate the need for sanding on dense, glossy surfaces. Use it on a wide range of interior and exterior surfaces where a secure bond is essential. It adheres to notoriously difficult materials like glass, tile, PVC, and various metals. A single quart of this primer covers approximately 75 to 100 square feet. It dries to the touch in just 30 minutes and is ready for recoating in an hour, saving you time. For nearly 50 years, professionals have relied on KILZ primers for their quality and problem-solving capabilities. It's consistently ranked among the most trustworthy brands in architectural coatings, backed by a lifetime limited warranty. What we like. This primer offers exceptional bonding capabilities for challenging surfaces. It's specifically formulated to create a secure anchor for top coats, often eliminating the need for extensive sanding. If you're tackling tough-to-paint materials like Kiner or glossy finishes, this is your go-to solution for a reliable base. What people say. Number 4. Artecho Pouring Effects Medium 32 ounces. Introducing Artecho Pouring Effects Medium, a translucent liquid that lets you easily monitor your usage. Its visual bottle design ensures you always know how much you have left for your next masterpiece. Mix this premium medium with your acrylic paints to unlock new possibilities. It reduces viscosity and brush strokes, making your colors smoother and more vibrant. Achieve stunning pouring effects with incredible ease. By adding enough of it to your acrylics, you can effortlessly create beautiful fluid art on canvas, wood, or stone. Once your artwork is complete and dry, apply this medium to the surface. It will enhance the gloss and protect your creation, ensuring it stays vibrant for longer. This product conforms to safety standards, making it a reliable choice for artists. It's an ideal gift for painting enthusiasts, suitable for both beginners and professionals alike. What we like. This medium is perfect for artists looking to enhance their acrylic paints. It significantly reduces viscosity and brush strokes, making your paint smoother and more transparent. If you're into acrylic pouring or want to achieve beautiful glazes and a glossy finish, this will elevate your artwork. What people say. Number 3. Zinsser Peel Stop Primer. Tired of flaking paint? This primer is engineered to halt peeling, ensuring your surfaces look fresh and last longer. It provides a strong foundation for your new coat. Say goodbye to rough textures. It creates an incredibly smooth surface, preparing your walls perfectly for a flawless topcoat application. You'll love the professional results. Protect and restore old, weathered surfaces. This product effectively seals them, preventing further damage and creating an ideal base for painting. It brings new life to tired materials. Its advanced formula offers outstanding flexibility. This means it moves with your surfaces, resisting cracks and ensuring long-term durability. Enjoy a finish that stands the test of time. It dries to a clean white finish, making subsequent paint coats easier to apply and achieve true color. This bright base helps your final paint color pop beautifully. What we like. This primer is a lifesaver for surfaces with existing paint issues. It effectively stops peeling paint and builds a smooth, uniform base. If you're dealing with weathered, chalky, or flaking paint and want a durable, long-lasting repair, this product provides an excellent foundation. What people say. NA. Number 2. Floetrol Pouring Medium Kit by Pixiss. Discover the ultimate kit for your acrylic pouring projects. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to achieve stunning, vibrant artwork with ease. The Floetrol pouring medium mixes seamlessly with your acrylics, allowing them to flow more freely and making them easier to control. It's perfect for achieving those beautiful, fluid designs you envision. This premium additive keeps your paint colors vibrant while enhancing their flow for consistent results. It also works wonderfully as a paint leveling additive, ensuring a smooth finish every time. Included are 20 disposable 10-ounce clear plastic cups with precise measurements. They are ideal for accurately mixing your paints, stains, or epoxy resins for any project. You'll also receive 20 Pixiss wood mixing sticks, perfect for thoroughly blending your mediums. These versatile tools are great for acrylics, resins, and more, ensuring a perfectly prepared mixture. This special formula is designed for easy cleanup, washing away with just soap and water. It ensures your creative process is enjoyable from start to finish, without the hassle of stubborn messes. What we like. This additive is designed to optimize your paint's flow without compromising color intensity. It helps achieve smoother, more controlled pours and levels your paint beautifully. If you're an acrylic pouring enthusiast and need a complete kit with mixing cups and sticks, this offers a convenient all-in-one solution. What people say. Number 1. Weldbond All-Purpose Adhesive. Introducing a single adhesive solution for all your bonding needs. This remarkable glue eliminates the clutter of multiple bottles, offering unparalleled versatility for countless projects. Experience its unbelievable strength and water-resistant properties. It dries crystal clear, creating a permanent yet flexible bond that stands up to any weather. For carpentry, it bonds even stronger than wood itself. It's easy to sand and paint, and its no-run, no-drip formula ensures clean application and quick cleanup with just water. Perfect for mosaic projects, it's a clear adhesive that securely bonds a wide range of hard surfaces. From glass and ceramics to stone and composites, it handles them all with ease. This is the ultimate choice for crafts, school projects, and hobbies, safe for use at home, school, or the workshop. It's non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly, ensuring peace of mind for your family. What we like. This versatile adhesive boasts incredible strength and can bond an extensive range of materials. It's also non-toxic, odorless, and dries completely clear, making it safe and discreet. If you're looking for a single, reliable, and family-friendly glue for carpentry, crafts, or mosaic projects, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested output. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.